Our four-year apprentice program deals with people that are getting new into the trade, and then we are teaching them the basic skills and the safety aspects that are needed on the job sites. It's a four-year program. Like I said, they're going to come 3 years through our program. They're going to come 1 week every quarter, and then once they're in their fourth year, then they're going to be all on the job, learning from the journeyman that's on the job. Our fourth annual apprenticeship open house is about getting young people interested in the trades. We put out this information to attend our apprenticeship open house throughout the entire northeastern Illinois. We want to get people into our facility to take a look at the possibility of having that as a career. The first part of the open house is a tour of our facility. So we have volunteers that are taking groups through our facility that they can see what the apprentices are actually doing out in the shops. There's going to be a different variety of projects that are going on and at different phases. And they're going to be able to see them doing the concrete forms in one shop, they're going to be building a house in another shop, they're going to be metal studs in another shop. So they'll be able to see all of the projects that they're going to be doing if they come through this apprenticeship. After the tour, we're going to have a presentation. The presentation's going to discuss what the carpenters are, what an apprenticeship is, the benefits of an apprenticeship, as well as how to become a professional carpenter. We're going to explain to them how to get into our program, the steps that are required for getting in our program, and then when they are in the program, what to experience when they are going to school here, the 13 weeks, and then what they're going to experience on the job. So the open house is really about getting the information to the individual that's interested in not just a job, but a career. The open house is open to the public. However, those that are interested in taking tours at a future date, whether it be a school or a community organization, all they have to do is contact the school and we can line up a tour for that organization to bring their individuals that are interested in getting into the carpentry trade.